The E61 error code on a Frigidaire dryer indicates that the heating relay is stuck, either in the open or closed position. This issue is commonly caused by a faulty heater relay or loose wiring. To resolve the problem, it's essential to check the wiring and test the heater relay. Start by unplugging the dryer and removing the main top to access the heater relay. Verify that the wires connected to the relay are secure, and replace any loose wires. Use a multimeter set to ohms to test for continuity. It should read 0 when the dryer is off. If the reading is not 0, consider replacing the relay. If the error code persists, replace the heater relay by unplugging the dryer, removing the main top, and disconnecting the wires attached to the relay. Remove the old relay, align the new one, and reconnect the wires. Once the new relay is installed, reattach the main top and plug in the dryer to see if the issue is resolved.